Self-doubt is nothing but a slow killer of your goals and passion. Sometimes, even people who have achieved a lot in life feel uncertain about themselves. This is a normal feeling and can actually be beneficial. It helps to keep us humble, grounded, and prevents us from becoming overconfident. But the key to real success is not letting these moments of self-doubt get in your way of achieving your goals. Successful people recognize these doubts quite early and continue to work towards getting rid of them successfully. Self-doubt can make it really hard for us to make big decisions. What exactly is self-doubt? In simple words, it's when you don't feel confident about yourself, your ability, or your skills. Sometimes, self-doubt can also mean being unsure about whether something is true or not. Believe it or not, most people experience self-doubt at some point in life, and this feeling can prevent you from achieving your goals. If you often find yourself struggling with self-doubt, it's important to realize how it's affecting your life or work. Once you do that, you can start using methods to build your self-confidence and feel better about yourself. In this video, you will learn 6 great ways to tackle self-doubts and boost your self-confidence. Self-doubt can lead us to make excuses that match how we're feeling. We might be scared of failing, looking bad, or taking on too much. So, we get into the excuse zone and start explaining why an opportunity isn't right for us. Our own mind starts working against us. If we even think for a very short time, our mind starts making up excuses and reasons. It tells us why we can't or shouldn't do something, even when we know deep down that it's something we need to do. Can you remember the chances you didn't take? What reasons did you tell yourself? Were they real reasons or just excuses? Excuses are like walls in our minds that can stop us from moving forward. Reflecting on missed chances or opportunities will help you gain greater insights, and that's the best way to overcome self-doubt. Learn to identify between excuses and real reasons for not doing something. That's the first step towards overcoming self-doubt. There's a well-known saying that goes like this: our lives are mostly influenced by the 5 people we spend the most time with. I am sure you heard that. The people we regularly hang out with can really shape who we are, sometimes without us even we realizing it. Think about the people you're around the most. How do they impact you? After you've been with them, do you feel more positive or more negative about yourself? Remember, the company you keep can lift you up or bring you down. Choose to be around those who inspire and encourage you, who make you want to be a better person. Surround yourself with positivity and watch how it transforms your life. Negative energy will always bring negative thoughts and fill your brain with self-doubt. We are easily influenced by the energy and attitudes of those around us. Choose people around you wisely and fill your surroundings with positive vibes. Knowing yourself well is a really strong tool for personal growth. Use it by figuring out why you sometimes doubt yourself. Ask yourself, what exactly makes you feel this doubt? If it's because you don't feel skilled enough in something, decide to improve in that area. Let's say you're scared of giving presentations or making sales calls, remember, you can learn almost anything. Take the initiative to find training or a coach who can guide you. For instance, if public speaking terrifies you, start by joining a local speaking club or taking an online course. Practice regularly, get feedback, and watch yourself grow more confident. The key is to identify your fear, confront it, and take action to overcome it. This way, you turn your self-doubt into a chance to become better and more capable. It's often easier to be kind to others than to ourselves. Being gentle and kind with ourselves means treating ourselves with the same kindness we would show to a friend. Research has found that people who are kind to themselves tend to have better mental health. They feel less anxious and more satisfied with their lives, and they often have higher self-esteem. Being kind towards yourself also helps you to be emotionally stronger. For example, imagine you make a mistake at work. Instead of being harsh on yourself, think about what you would say to a friend in the same situation. You'd probably be understanding and supportive. Apply that same kindness to yourself. This approach can change how you feel about the mistake and help you learn from it without feeling overwhelmed. It's about acknowledging that everyone makes mistakes, and that's okay. This attitude can lead to a happier, more resilient you. It's certainly good to seek advice from others. Their perspectives can offer valuable insights. However, if you find yourself constantly relying on others' opinions before making every decision, you risk undermining your own confidence and ability to trust your instincts. Imagine you're working on a creative project, like a presentation, applying for a job, or launching a new product. If you continuously adjust your work based on every piece of feedback you receive, you may start to erode the uniqueness and authenticity of your vision. Your project could end up reflecting others' ideas more than your own. Remember, your ideas and perspectives are valuable and deserve to be heard. While it's important to consider constructive feedback, it's equally important to stay true to your vision and trust your creative instincts. The world needs your originality. Don't be afraid to stand by your ideas and let your unique voice shine through in your work. In doing so, you not only build a product that truly represents you, but also strengthens your self-confidence and decision-making skills. Become a true reflection of your ideas and creativity with a strong belief in yourself. Setbacks are normal when you're trying to change something. If you never face any difficulties, you're probably not trying your hardest. The key difference between people who overcome self-doubt and those who get stuck by it is mental toughness. They understand that self-doubt is really just fear. This understanding helps them learn from their mistakes, pick themselves up, and continue moving forward. That's all for today. Self-doubt is like a slowly creeping illness, which catches you unaware and you unknowingly get trapped in that illness. Identify your self-doubts, work on them, and turn them around before they turn you around. If you liked this video and found useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or your social media handles. I am sure Someone out there is struggling with self-doubt and will surely thank you for sharing these valuable insights. Thanks for watching Skillopedia, the place to learn skills for the real world.